Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Misela Misa. So in this video I will explain about the material that I have read about semantics. Semantics is a branch of linguistics that study the meaning contained in a language, code, and the type of representation. We can visualize the two kind of meaning as follow: semantics and pragmatics. Semantics focus on the link between a lexicon and the grammar and semantics meaning, and then pragmatics focus on the link focus on the connection between context of use and both semantics and speaker meaning. And then subject, predicate, and argument. Subject is any noun, pronouns, or noun phrase that does to the action in a sentence. And then a predicate is grammatical term for the action performed in a sentence, which generally includes the verb and all the words that describe two action or subject. And then argument is a series of sentence, a statement or preposition, some of which are called a premise, and one of which is the conclusion. And then adverbial and adverb. Adverbial are also part of adverb, but they are not always one word. Adverbial is a word of group of words that describe a verb, adjective, adverb, and entire clause. And then adjective are that function to explain or limit pronouns and nouns that are still general and can be people, place, animals, object, or abstract concept. And then fundamental semantics concept and compositionality. The most fundamental semantics concept describe how word, phrase, and sentence relate to each word, relate to each other, to the world. This is a synonym. Synonym is a two word or phrase or sentence are synonym if they have the same meaning. And then antonym is a two word phrase or sentence are opposite semantics meaning. And then antonyms. Example antonym is tall and short, there are opposite meaning. And then a hyponym is a word, hyponym of another if it is a semantics meaning is more specific than other. And then ambiguity, a word, phrase, or sentence is ambiguous if it has multi-type semantics. Multi-type semantics meaning. And then a tailment is a sentence entails another if the third, the first guarantees the third of the second. And then tautology, a sentence is a tautology it if it must be true, be true. And then contradiction is a sentence contradiction another if they can both be true. I like pigs. Contradiction, I hate all animals. A contradiction sentence is a contradiction if it cannot be true. That is a big animals and it's not an animal is a contradiction. And then semantics rules. Semantics rules provide one very popular framework for investigation lexical semantics. In particular, the lexical semantics of verb, but not the only one. And then modality can be expressed through a variety of grammatical categories. A modal auxiliary verbs, for examples, should, must, can, would. In nouns, possibility, necessity, probability, requirement, and adjective, possible, necessary, problem. And then intentional meaning has to do with things could be at